For most of us, hair oiling is a tradition passed down through generations, making it almost as routine as hair washing. But even if you have been doing it for years, it's helpful to hit refresh on the best practices, right? Hi guys, I am Ankita and today I am going to show you how to oil your hair the correct way. But before that, go ahead and subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel and ring the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest videos. Remember the Dadi Maa ka chumpy sessions you enjoyed as a kid? Or how mom kept obsessing over how oiling is great for hair? Well, it's all true, and why wouldn't it be? Because if you think about it, the human body is like an upside down tree. The head is the root which needs to be nourished with hair oil for it to remain strong and free from damage. So just like our skin needs moisturization, our scalp and hair needs oil to stay healthy and moisturized. Hair oils contain essential nutrients that lubricate the hair follicles, provide moisture to the shafts and keep them healthy. Apart from that, oiling the hair enhances its growth, nourishes the roots, tames frizz, protects the hair from environmental stressors like dust, UV rays and pollution, and prevents dryness. If that quick snapshot-like explanation in terms of why you need to oil your hair wasn't a reason to get into hair oiling, then here are some benefits hair oiling offers. One of the major benefits of regularly oiling your hair is that it helps to strengthen the hair by increasing its elasticity. This adds tensile strength, which means that your hair ends up being less prone to breakage and looks healthy and frizz-free. The second benefit is that it moisturizes the hair. Oiling provides your hair with intense hydration and nourishment, as it penetrates your hair shaft quite easily and forms a layer of hydration. This prevents moisture loss and keeps your hair looking hydrated and frizz-free. Next, it nourishes the scalp. Clogged pores are the major cause of a lot of hair problems such as dandruff, itchiness, stunted hair growth and hair fall. Massaging your scalp with warm hair oil will help lift away dead skin cells, increase blood circulation in the area and keeps your scalp healthy, thus boosting hair health and growth. Lastly, let's talk about the much dreaded hair loss, which is usually a result of lack of nutrition. Which is why, along with eating a balanced diet, we must feed our hair with vitamins and proteins. Oiling helps transport the benefits of vitamins and proteins to the scalp, thereby preventing hair loss and inducing hair growth. If you guys want to take a look at some of our other hair care routine videos, then tap on the icon on the top right. So here's a step-by-step guide on how to give yourself an indulgent oil massage. The first step is to choose the right oil. Look out for oil that adds shine and softness, plus helps strengthen your hair follicles and weak tissues. One such oil that treats a host of hair-related issues is this one. It's the Indulekha Bhringaraj hair oil. And you know the best part about this oil is that it comes with a selfie comb that is to be used to apply the oil to the scalp. So you don't need to use your fingers to vigorously rub the oil in the hard-to-reach areas. It has a powerful Ayurvedic concoction of different ingredients and essential oils. One of the powerful ingredients that go in the making of this oil is Bhringaraj, which is known to be an effective hair loss treatment. It also prevents hair loss and promotes new hair growth. The preparation also contains Swetakutuja, which helps prevent scalp disease. Amla, curry leaves, neem, aloe vera and brahmi are also added to the oil, all of which are known for making hair stronger and healthier naturally. The next step is to detangle the hair with a white tooth comb. This will avoid any hair breakage and knots while I am massaging the scalp. Brush your hair gently from the ends upwards to ease out tangles, because brushing hair from the top to the bottom can worsen tangles, cause breakage and scratch your scalp. Now comes the oiling part. First, divide the hair into sections and place the comb off the bottle in such a way that it touches the scalp. Squeeze the bottle to get the oil out and onto the scalp. Keep repeating this step until you have completed oiling all the sections and your entire scalp is covered with the oil. Don't overuse the oil because more oil means you'll have to use extra shampoo to wash it off. This will strip away your hair's natural oils and moisture, leaving you with dull, damaged and dry locks. So use the oil sparingly. Finally, gently but thoroughly massage the oil into the scalp in circular motions that will enhance blood circulation, which results in hair growth and makes hair follicles stronger. Whatever is left on the hands, run it through the length of your hair to add an extra dose of nourishment, especially for the ends. Additionally, you can also use a scalp massager as it helps exfoliate the scalp and increase follicle circulation. After applying oil on hair, cover the head with a shower cap as it keeps the hair in place as you wait. Let the oil sit for 15 minutes to repair and hydrate the hair and wash it off with a mild shampoo. Don't leave the oil on overnight as it tends to collect dirt and mix with your scalp's natural oil. Make sure to do this oil treatment between 1 to 2 times a week according to your schedule and your hair type to ensure faster and stronger hair growth. So guys, I hope you liked the video on how to oil your hair the correct way. Just know that regular hair oiling is just a part of your overall hair routine. You need to also pay attention to other important factors like your diet, lifestyle, habits, correct hair washing techniques and most importantly usage of correct hair products as per your hair type and concerns. Before you leave, like and share this video and subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest videos.